Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all things comparison. Today, we're taking to the skies. That's right, we're comparing two high-flying drones from Holy Stone, the HS720 and the HS720G. So grab your aviator shades, and let's see which one is ready for takeoff. First up, let's talk about price. Because let's be honest, our wallets are the real pilots here. The HS720 comes in at a cool $249. Not bad, right? But the HS720G is a bit more premium at $299. That's right, folks, $50 more. So if you're looking to save some cash for that extra large pizza after your drone flight, the hydrogen sulfide has got your back. Now let's dive into the camera and stabilization, because no one wants shaky footage of their epic drone journey. The HS720 rocks a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. It's like having a tiny flying cameraman who never complains about heights. But wait, the HS720G steps it up with a 2-axis gimbal and 4K EIS camera. That's right, folks, this drone is smoother than your pickup lines at a singles bar. Reviewers love the hydrogen sulfide G's smooth footage and stable performance in light winds, making it a great choice for aerial photography. Next up, flight time, because nobody likes a drone that's as short-lived as your New Year's resolutions. Both drones boast a 26-minute flight time per battery, but the HS720 comes with 2 batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes. That's almost an hour of uninterrupted sky-high adventures. The HS720G, however, is sticking with 1 battery. Reviewers appreciate the HS720's extended flight time, making it perfect for long sessions. So unless you're into mid-flight pit stops, the HS720 is the marathon runner here. Alright, let's talk GPS and intelligent flight, because getting lost in the sky is so last century. Both drones have GPS-assisted flight and smart return home functions. But the HS720G flexes a bit harder with its powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning. It's like having a built-in GPS genius that won't let you down. Reviewers highlight the hydrogen sulfide G's reliable GPS and intelligent flight modes, making it a great companion for adventurous flights. So if you're prone to getting lost, the HS720G is your personal drone GPS guru. Finally, user-friendliness, because we all need a drone that's easier to handle than assembling IKEA furniture. The HS720 is packed with simple operations like one-key start, stop, altitude hold, and an emergency stop. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels, but the HS720G isn't falling behind with headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold. Reviewers find both drones user-friendly, but the hydrogen sulfide G's features offer a bit more flair for beginners. So for all you beginners out there, both drones have got your back. But the HS720G has a bit more flair. Both the Holy Stone HS720 and HS720G have received positive feedback from users. The HS720 is praised for its affordability, good flight time, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for beginners. On the other hand, the HS720G is highlighted for its smooth footage, reliable GPS, and advanced features, offering great value for those willing to spend a bit more. So there you have it, folks. The HS720 and the HS720G. 2 drones ready to make your aerial dreams come true. Whether you're on a budget or looking for that extra bit of smoothness in your footage, Holy Stone has got something for you. Let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Fly smart, shop smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Product links are in the description.